Do you want to play Rainbow Six Siege with your friends who have Xbox but you're on PC? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many players feel stuck and confused when trying to team up across platforms. But guess what? There is a way to do it, and I'm going to show you how step by step. So first, you're going to make sure that your Ubisoft Connect account is linked to your Xbox and PC. This is how the game knows who you are on both systems. Next thing is you're going to turn on Crossplay in the game settings. Go to the main menu, click on the gear icon, and then scroll to Crossplay and switch it to on. Then you're going to add your friend using their Ubisoft username, not their Xbox gamertag. So go to the social tab and click add friend, then type in their Ubisoft name. After that, create a squad by inviting your friends from the friends list. Once they accept, you're going to be in the same group and ready to play all together. Last thing, play a casual match or a custom game to start. Ranked games might be limited, but casual mode works great for cross-platform fun. So don't miss out on playing with your best friends. Like this video, comment, subscribe. Ciao.